Sunday, April 12th, about 10:20 a.m. We're here on the lagoon and beach to the east and below the Kodiak Launch Complex launch tower. And we're looking at something that's sort of inexplicable in that as you look at this terrain, you see no fence, you see no barrier, nothing to keep people in or out. And then you get to this point and there's a fence which ends, a plastic fence. Last week when we were here, the plastic fence had fallen down and was torn up, mixed in with beach debris and so forth. Immediately after, or not long after posting the photographs on Facebook, the launch complex, Alaska Aerospace, got their employees down here to fix up the situation. But rather than remove the fence, they simply re-erected the fence. And you can see this fence goes on all the way down this beach. It's kind of hard to see. See, it's over there, and then it goes up the hill just to the right of the tree you see on top of the hill there. And the question is, why is this fence even here? It won't stop bison who roam on this area. This is state land, although leased by Alaska Aerospace. They've promised not to restrict access. However, access is restricted now. And so we follow the fence once again along the beach, and it ends. And as you continue around this corner, you go around a lagoon right below the launch tower and then up to an old road that comes back to this lagoon. No fencing anywhere to keep anyone out. A few warning signs. But one wonders, why have this plastic fence which ends here? Over time, with sun and salt air, the fence will degrade. One hopes that Alaska Aerospace will check it periodically and not allow it to become part of our ocean beach debris here. But it really doesn't seem to make much sense. Why is this fence here when, as you can see, you can easily walk right past it and look down at it from this direction and walk behind it and access all this country behind here. Here's one of their signs warning us, explosive hazard, keep out. And so the question is, what's happening to the environment of Narrow Cape? What's in the soils? What's in the plants? What are the animals eating? The deer, the bison, and so forth. If there are explosive materials left over from the rocket explosion back in August, which supposedly have been cleaned up, why do we still need warning signs and so forth? So you take a look around the lagoon here, ocean on the other side of that berm, and of course the fence to nowhere, kind of like the launch pad to nowhere here at Space Pork Kodiak. The fence that just ends. And we'll leave you once again with this dangerous explosive hazard keep out sign.